Hey guys, Sean here. I just want to tell you about this Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Vacuum Cleaner. We've had this handheld vacuum cleaner for a few years now, and it has done a wonderful job for us. It comes with an attachment for pet hair, which is the main reason that we got this vacuum cleaner. And look at all that. We've been using this daily to clean up pet hair, especially off of our couches where the cats like to lay. And then, of course, you have this attachment where you can get those corners and hard to reach places for just small things. It has the charger.